In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music to Telegram profile. So first, you can see this is my Telegram account. So I open on my mobile phone. So now I need to choose an account because directly you are not able to add any music on your profile. So example purpose, I open this chart. Then I need to just click on this icon again, just click on file. So I use this music from internal storage, that's it. And audio, okay, this one. So it's going to send this account. Okay, it's already sent it, so I need to just click on this song name, just click on title. So you can see this is again, click on this one, again click on add to profile, that's it. So it's easy method. I hope you are doing this work perfectly. Thanks for watching. See you again.